Two teens set off to travel the world on an adventure of a lifetime. They departed from San Diego and headed to Portugal. Ah, it's a snake! Wait, no, it's just graffiti. There was lots of graffiti there. Then they continued on to Ireland, spending 3 months exploring the beautiful island coast to coast.
Oops, I fell in the mud.
Next, they ventured to Morocco and spent a night in the Sahara Desert. Look, we're riding on camels! What a beautiful sunset.
I don't feel so good. Blech.
From there, they went to Greece, exploring ancient ruins, beautiful islands, and rocks. Rocks? Really, Teresa? I would rather describe them as old monasteries or cliff faces, but whatever boats your goat. Oh, and cats. Lots of cats. Then onward to Italy, where they stuffed their faces with pizza, pasta, ice cream, cannolis, pies, cakes, croissants, chocolate, and every other delicious food they can get their hands on. Plus, they visited some famous sites, as well as the magical country of San Marino. Then they traveled across the equator to South Africa, where they spent a month volunteering at the Vervet Monkey Foundation. Aw, he's so cute. Uh-oh, now he's peeing on me. Then another month in Kruger National Park, searching for animals day in and day out. Next, they headed to Zambia, where they saw the largest waterfall in the world from above and below.
Whoa, that's a long way down.
They also made quick day trips to Botswana and Zimbabwe, before heading on to South Luangwa National Park to view some cool animals like leopard cubs and crocs eating monkeys. Afterwards, they went to Malawi where they ran into some car trouble, ate lots of corn, and had a relaxing weekend on Lake Malawi. Next stop on the journey, Kenya, where they spent a few days seeing some famous Nairobi sights. Following Kenya, they spent the next week trekking through Ugandan forest in search of chimps, gorillas, and tree-climbing lions. Well, the lions weren't actually in the trees at the time, but, whatever. They also found a tree frog in their bathroom. Then they spent a few days in Rwanda, touring a coffee company and visiting the moving and impactful Genocide Memorial. Next, they headed to Tanzania, where they hiked Mount Kilimanjaro. Well, just halfway. They headed back to Kenya, visiting Amboseli National Park, where they saw flamingos and took great photos of animals with Mount Kilimanjaro in the background. That concluded their East Africa tour, so they headed back to South Africa, when everything changed. A little virus swept across the world, affecting everyone. These two teens are now stuck in South Africa, where the country is on lockdown. Passing the time by making silly videos, they are slowly going insane.